The choice between Windows and macOS is a long-standing debate, and which one is actually better often depends on individual needs and preferences. However, Windows is usually seen as having advantages in most key areas. In this video, we will explore why Windows is better than macOS. Windows offers far more customization options than macOS, making it a better choice for users who want more control over their operating system. You can customize the user interface, system settings, hardware options, and more. macOS prioritizes a consistent design with limited customization options, while Windows allows you to personalize most aspects of the operating system, so you can adjust your desktop, taskbar, and other visual elements to your liking. Developers and professionals also have advanced control over the system through features like the registry editor, command prompt, and Windows subsystem for Linux. Windows runs on a wide range of hardware from numerous manufacturers, including HP, Lenovo, and Dell. This gives you many more options in terms of price, performance, and features. The competition among Windows manufacturers can drive prices down, especially for mid-range devices. You can find everything from budget-friendly laptops to high-end, custom-built gaming PCs. In contrast, macOS only runs on Apple's own hardware, which is generally more expensive and has limited options for features like touchscreens. Windows is more popular than macOS, so most software developers prioritize Windows when developing applications. This means Windows has a massive library of compatible software, including professional tools, business applications, and legacy programs. While many popular apps are available on both platforms, some software is Windows exclusive. Software compatibility with macOS has improved in recent years, but Windows remains the more compatible platform overall, offering more choices for software and being the main focus for many developers, especially for productivity tools and creative software. Windows is generally a better choice for PC gaming. Most PC games are developed for Windows, and major gaming platforms like Steam, Epic Games Store, and Xbox Game Pass are built around the Windows ecosystem. The wider hardware options on Windows allows gamers to build custom-configured PCs designed for maximum gaming performance, from choosing the right CPU, GPU, and RAM, to selecting an appropriate motherboard, storage, and cooling system to meet their needs and budget. Apple has made improvements in recent years, but macOS still falls far behind in terms of game availability and performance. Many Windows PCs, particularly desktops and some laptops, are designed to be user upgradable. This means you can easily replace components like RAM, storage drives, and graphics cards. Windows devices are also easier and more affordable to repair, as parts are widely available. Mac devices are more difficult to upgrade or repair due to their integrated design and use of Apple's proprietary components, like specialized screws, adhesives, and seals. Unlike Windows PCs, many internal components in Mac devices, such as the RAM and SSD, are soldered to the logic board, preventing easy upgrades or replacements based on the latest advancements. Many users find the productivity features in Windows to be more efficient and user-friendly than in macOS. For example, Windows has native window management features, such as snap layouts and snapping windows to corners. This makes multitasking with multiple applications on a single screen much easier. Both operating systems allow you to create multiple desktops for different tasks, like emails, projects, and personal use. But on Windows, it feels more straightforward and customizable for many users. Windows prioritizes flexibility, allowing you to move virtual desktops across multiple monitors and to have identical virtual desktops on each screen, while macOS provides a more consistent experience with fewer customization options and limitations in cross-monitor virtual desktop functionality. If you want greater customization over your operating system, more hardware options, and extensive gaming support, and use a lot of Microsoft services, you should choose Windows. Due to its flexibility, Windows is a more common choice for both individuals and businesses than macOS, and we would recommend it for most people. You can choose macOS for its tightly integrated hardware and software and integration with other Apple devices, making it suitable for creative professionals and users prioritizing the Apple ecosystem. If you want to stay up to date with more insightful content like this, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To receive notifications whenever our channel posts new content, you can also click on the bell icon.